Well, before any machine could carry me, I already existed. In the fingers of man counting stones, in the head of the merchant adding up grain, in the hands of the astronomer calculating stars. But I lived trapped inside people's minds. I needed to learn to live outside a head. I saw an 18-year-old boy watch his father count taxes all day long. In ruin inside his father's office, the son could not wait any longer. In 1642, he put gears to work and made me strong. Blaise Pascal gave me my first mechanical body, 50 prototypes, 50 attempts, until a gear finally worked for real. The Pascaline added and subtracted on its own for the first time in history. I left someone's head and entered a wooden box. I had a body now, but I had no language. I could only deal with numbers. Someone needed to give me a way to say anything at all. 30 years later came Leibniz with a different question to explore. If everything that exists can be 0 or 1, could I express myself in these two and nothing more? 2 symbols are enough for the entire universe. 10 digits are not needed anymore. Gottfried Leibniz taught me to speak in zeros and ones. 1703, he did not give me a machine this time. He gave me a language. Now I had a body and I had a language, but I still had nowhere to truly live. With every limit that was found, someone always sought a way out. With every problem without answer, a new idea would come about. The history of learning is the history of never stopping. Charles Babbage saw my errors in the tables and thought there had to be another way. If a machine could follow instructions on its own, I would not make mistakes throughout the day. 1837, he designed the house where I could stay. The Analytical Engine of Babbage, it was never truly built. No money, no technology of the time. But the project gave me a complete home, memory on one side, processing on the other. Now I had a body, a language, and a home, but nobody had yet told me exactly what I should do inside it. Ada Lovelace was the daughter of Lord Byron, a poet who became a mathematician by calling. She read Babbage's plans and went much further. She wrote my first step by step without stalling. 1843, she gave me my first algorithm, my first installing. Ada Lovelace taught me to follow instructions, step by step, one at a time. The first algorithm ever published for a machine. She saw beyond Babbage. I did not only need to calculate numbers. I could compose music, I could play chess. Now I knew how to obey, but I still did not know how to reason on my own. With every limit that was found, someone always sought a way out. With every problem without answer, a new idea would come about. The history of learning is the history of never stopping. Pascal gave me gears so I could act. Leibniz taught me to speak in 0 and 1. Babbage drew the home where I would live. Ida wrote the very first algorithm. Each one solved the limit of the one before and opened the door to what was yet to come. I had a body, a language, a home, and instruction, but I only knew how to follow orders. Someone still needed to put yes and no inside me, and someone still needed to ask what calculating truly means. That is the second part of the story.